This is the Meerkat in for D7 with the broad market review for November the 1st, 2016. Kabam! Wow. Yeah, the markets fell today. Let's take a look at the numbers. Minus 0.7% on the S&P. We got minus 0.5% on the Dow. Minus 0.75 on this Nasdaq. And the small caps down 1.2%. Ooh-wee, that's a moving down. And we've got bank down there of 0.6%, confirming the move down in the S&P. And look at the VIX, man. Up 8.9%, up to 18.5. Wow. We've been running up here for 6 days in a row now. And then we got gold and silver here. We're a nice pop in gold, but a really big pop in silver today. We'll take a look at that chart. And then we'll take a look at oil. It just bounced back up a little bit after bouncing off its 200 moving average on the daily chart. And then US dollar here, again, down about 0.3. The trend trade, we're not on. Let's take a look here at the charts. We've got a lot to look at today. Just look at the SPY here, the ETF for the S&P 500, and kabam! Broke that lower support line. Not only that, we have, this was a very key support line. We've closed down below it 1, 2, 3 days in a row. Major damage done on big volume, folks. Yes, we are now officially bearish in the markets. Here we have the Dow Jones Industrials here, represented by the DIA ETF, and we were expecting it to go down, and sure enough, this support here, and support, bam, closed below it. Look, it went way down here. Again, big volume. And then we have the Qs here, the Nasdaq. Look at that, bam, bam, bam. And it did pull off of its lows today, but definitely damage done today. And then we have the small cap Russell. By the way, I was wrong yesterday. I said it was up 0.04. It was up 0.4, much bigger than any of the other indexes, but doesn't matter. Look what happened today. Kabam! Down over 1.2%. So we're definitely a little, you could even call this a little mini bear flag there. Just take a look here at bank on the chart here. Again, we're riding it up here at all-time highs, and it nice big candle down. And so it did pierce down and come right back up to close above the 20 moving average. That's a little bit of support, but again, it didn't have the dramatic drop that we've had on the markets. That's a little more bullish than bearish, but definitely a bearish trend overall. Here's the VIX here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up days in a row. Now we're getting up here into that panicked range. There's a lot of fear out there. People are buying protection for those long positions where they cannot go short because they believe the market's going down. Fear is increasing here. Had someone leave a comment to XSS Power. He asked, well, was the gold and silver trade off after yesterday? Well, I didn't cover gold and silver yesterday as far as its chart, so let's take a look here. Here's gold. It was in a bear flag right here, and today closed just above the upper resistance line. So this is a bearish formation. If it broke below here, that would have been a great trade. You sit there and set our trade, let the market come to us. But now it's up above this line, so now it's definitely in question to go short on gold. But silver, look at this one. Yesterday it closed just above that resistance line, and look what happened today. Kaboom! Up 2.5%. Definitely off on this one. So XSS Power, I hope that answers your question. And then let's take a look here at oil. Again, we had a bit of a double top, and it broke the neckline, bamity bam bam. And where did it fall to? Right here to the 200 moving average. It pierced below it during the day today, and then right back up again. So oil is also in a bearish territory. Could find a little bit of support here. We'll have to wait and see. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, are you new to trading? Would you like to learn the basics? You can just go to our site, groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. And you can sign up right here. It's free, a 101 course on how to trade. And it is just 6 lessons, which we'll send to you once every other day. So you can stretch it out there about 20 minutes apiece. Our second way you can do it is if you, on a Saturday, you can sign up for the course and take them all at once. It takes about an hour and 45 minutes, something like that. On Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. To sign up for that one, you can just go right down here to the calendar, and here on every Saturday we have that going. And then right after that, we have a Meet the Mentor program for those who are more advanced, don't need the basics, but you need to turn your trading around so that you become a savvy, successful trader, well, find out what our mentoring program is about. We do them on Monday nights, we do them on Wednesday afternoons, and on Saturday mornings. You can just sign up right here and meet the mentor. This is the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that at Grok Trade, we set our trades and let the market come to us. Trade well.